When the sun warms the ocean, water turns into vapor. It rises, cools, forms clouds, and falls again as rain.
White rains, the hidden journey of every raindrop. Hi, I'm Stuart Lee. I have ASD, autism, since I was 4 years old. Every time it rains, something incredible happens. The water falling from your sky today might have once flowed through a dinosaur's river or floated above an ancient ocean. How? Let's trace the hidden journey of every raindrop. It all begins where most life begins, the ocean. As sunlight warms the surface, it gives water molecules enough energy to break free and rise into the air as invisible vapor. According to NASA's Earth Observatory, this process, called evaporation, powers almost every weather pattern on our planet. As that vapor climbs higher, the air cools, the molecules slow down, gather, and cling together, forming tiny droplets that become clouds. Scientists at NOAA explain that a single small cloud can hold billions of these droplets, all waiting for gravity's call. When those droplets grow heavy enough, they fall. Each raindrop races through the air, shaped by wind, cooled by temperature, guided by gravity. Meteorologists call this precipitation, the moment water returns to Earth in its endless cycle. Once the rain touches the ground, its journey continues. Some seeps into the soil, nourishing plants. Some gathers in rivers and lakes, flowing back to the ocean. That same water will rise again, repeating the rhythm that sustained Earth for billions of years. So next time you feel a raindrop on your hand, remember, it isn't new. Rain is more than weather. It's life repeating itself. Science made simple, nature made beautiful. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.